they said I could do, and then I'm gonna show y'all, okay? And I'm gonna show y'all when I come back, and I want y'all to let me know if I got what I asked for, okay? I've seen her work. She does really good. I actually remember her from high school. Excuse me, I feel like I got something in my throat, but I actually remember her from high school. I doubt she remembers me, but I remember her from high school, and I think it's gonna be good, y'all. So I'm gonna insert a picture. Y'all let me know if I got what I paid for, and I will come back to y'all when I am done. All right, y'all, what do y'all think? I love it in this red. I am loving it, y'all. If y'all are in the, look at how she bleeps that, period. If y'all are in the Chicagoland area, Joliet, Chicagoland area, hit up Mickey Kai, okay? She did that. I'm gonna drop her info below, her Facebook information, y'all. Not only did she hook my hair up, she is the sweetest spirit I have ever come across. One of the sweetest spirits I have ever come across. And if she keep up that personality, she gonna make it, y'all. She gonna go big. She gonna go far. She did that. She did that. So I'm gonna drop her Facebook information, and I'm going to get my nails done. So I'll see y'all. We are here at Walmart, and I just wanted to show y'all. So I went and got, for the first time, a facial. I got a black mask. I got my lashes and eyebrows done. So let me get close up. My lashes and eyebrows. And can I say that I love the facial, y'all? I feel like she ripped me off like a new skin. Oh, I love this facial so much. So I will be going back once a month to get that done. Y'all excuse my hair as I have not fixed it today. I'm out running errands, so you know, ain't really did anything with it. And then my eyebrows, they look good. I've never had my eyebrows done before. They look a little bit dark to me, so I would just next time get a lighter color so they're not so dark. As far as the lashes go, okay, they're cute. I don't know how y'all wear these on the daily, get them done, y'all. I feel like I got fans on my eyes. Like, they look cute, but they feel heavy. Maybe it's y'all let me know, maybe it's because I'm a first time at it, but they feel heavy. I got the short ones. I got them done natural. I don't think they look too much, but I feel like I got fans on my eyeballs, y'all. How y'all do this? Tell me, give me the secret. How y'all do this? Because I feel like if I didn't have these fans on my eyebrows, I could see some more. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I feel. But get into this facial. I love it. Okay, so I'm here at Walmart, y'all, and we're gonna get some groceries. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home, but we're gonna get some groceries. Today is meal prep day. I usually do it on Sunday, but because it's Labor Day, I am off. So let me put my glasses back on. But because it's Sunday, I am off, so I'm doing it today. I'm gonna go into Walmart, and then I'm gonna show y'all everything that I got.